It all started on a normal Tuesday morning. You are sitting at your kitchen table drinking your coffee. The sun is coming through the window. The sky is blue. Everything feels normal. You have no idea that somewhere in the universe, the most massive black hole ever discovered has just appeared where our sun used to be. Its name is TON 618. It is 66 billion times more massive than our sun. Its event horizon alone is so enormous that our entire solar system, from the sun to the very edge of Pluto's orbit, would fit inside it with room to spare, and it is now sitting where our sun was. Right now, this is what happens to you. This is what happens to Earth. This is what happens to everything. Day 1. You are still drinking your coffee when the sky goes dark. Not slowly, not like a sunset. Instantly. 1 second the sun is there. The next second it is gone. But that is not what scares you first. What scares you first is what replaces it. Because TON 618 is not invisible. Not like a small stellar black hole sitting quietly in space. TON 618 is surrounded by an accretion disk. An enormous swirling ring of gas and material heated to millions of degrees. That glows brighter than anything you have ever seen. The moment it replaces the sun, the sky does not go dark. The sky turns white, blindingly white. A ring of fire so bright it is visible even in the middle of the day. Through closed curtains, through closed eyes, you shield your face with your hands. But the light burns through your skin. Every window in your house shatters from the pressure wave of radiation hitting Earth simultaneously. You fall to the floor. Outside, you can hear people screaming. The radiation from TON 618's accretion disk is hitting Earth like nothing in the history of the planet has ever hit it before. The ozone layer, which protects you from ultraviolet radiation, is gone within minutes, stripped away completely by the intensity of the radiation pouring from the accretion disk. Every person caught outside without shelter is receiving a lethal radiation dose. You crawl under your kitchen table. You have no idea this is only the beginning. Within hours of TON 618 appearing where the sun was, you notice something that terrifies you more than the light. The ground is shaking, not like an earthquake shaking, a deep, low, constant vibration that you feel in your chest more than hear with your ears. The tidal forces from TON 618 are already reaching Earth. TON 618 is 66 billion times more massive than our sun. Its gravity is 66 billion times stronger. The difference in gravitational pull between the side of Earth facing TON 618 and the side facing away is so extreme that Earth itself is beginning to deform, to stretch. The oceans are being pulled toward TON 618. Enormous tidal waves hundreds of meters high are forming on every coastline facing the black hole and racing inland. The ground is literally being pulled upward on the side of Earth facing TON 618. Earthquakes are triggering simultaneously across the entire planet as the crust is stretched and compressed. Volcanoes that have been dormant for thousands of years are erupting. The planet is being squeezed and pulled like a piece of dough in the hands of something impossibly strong, and Earth's orbit has already changed. TON 618's gravity is so much stronger than the sun's that Earth is no longer following its old circular orbit. It is being pulled inward, accelerating toward the black hole. You do not feel the acceleration yet, but it has already begun. Day 2. You wake up on the floor of your kitchen. You slept there because it felt safer than going upstairs. Through the cracks in your curtains, the sky outside is still blindingly bright with the glow of TON 618's accretion disk. You check your phone. No signal. The internet is gone. Power is out. Outside, through your window, you can see that the street is flooded with dark, oily water that was not there yesterday. You look at the horizon and you see something that stops your heart. The sky on one side is brighter than the other. Not just brighter. The light is bent, curved. The space around TON 618 is so massive that it is bending light itself. Stars that should be on the other side of the sky are visible in completely wrong positions. The entire background of the universe looks warped and distorted, like you're looking through an enormous curved lens, because you are. The gravity of TON 618 is bending every ray of light passing near it. The universe itself looks broken from where you are standing. The earthquakes from yesterday have not stopped. They are constant now, a low, permanent shaking that sends cracks through the walls of your house. You try to fill bottles with water from the tap, but nothing comes out. The water infrastructure is gone. Outside, the temperature has dropped sharply despite the blinding light from the accretion disk. The radiation is intense, but it is not the same as the warmth of the sun. The sun gave us the specific wavelengths of light that warmed our atmosphere. TON 618 is giving us the wrong kind of light, radiation that burns rather than warms. The planet is simultaneously being irradiated and getting colder. Day 3. On the third day, you realize the horizon looks wrong. It takes you a moment to understand why. Then it hits you. The sun used to rise and set because Earth rotated. You have been watching the sky for 3 days, and the position of TON 618's glow in the sky has moved, but not the way the sun moved. It is moving faster. Earth's rotation is being affected by the tidal forces. The day is getting shorter. TON 618's gravity is pulling on Earth so strongly that it is changing how fast the planet spins. Scientists on emergency broadcasts that you can barely receive Steve on a battery-powered radio are saying that Earth's orbit is decaying rapidly. Earth is spiraling inward toward ton 618 at an accelerating rate. They are saying that at the current rate, Earth will cross the event horizon within days. Not weeks, not months, days. You step outside despite everything and look up. The sky is the most terrifying and most beautiful thing you have ever seen. The accretion disk of ton 618 fills a massive portion of the sky. A swirling ring of white and orange and blue light brighter than anything in nature. Around it, the fabric of space is visibly bent. Stars stretched into arcs, light curved into rings. The entire universe warped and distorted around the most massive object ever discovered. It is the last beautiful thing you will ever see. Day 4. The tidal forces on day 4 are so strong you can feel them in your body. Not pain exactly, a stretching sensation. The gravity pulling on the side of your body facing ton 618 is measurably stronger than the gravity pulling on the side facing away. Your body is being very gently pulled apart. Not enough to hurt yet, but enough to feel. The ground outside has split open in dozens of places. Enormous cracks in the Earth's crust stretching for kilometers. Lava is pouring out of every crack. The planet's interior is being heated by the constant squeezing and stretching of tidal forces. The same process that heats Io around Jupiter, but thousands of times more extreme. The atmosphere is being stripped away. You can see it if you look at the horizon. The sky at the edges has a strange thin quality, like looking through glass that is getting thinner. The air pressure has dropped noticeably. Breathing feels slightly harder. Scientists on the radio stopped broadcasting an hour ago. You do not know if their equipment failed or if they are simply gone.